College Kitchen. I'm Karen.
I'm Robin.
And we're in a bad mood today, but it's okay because we're allowed to be in bad moods. Also, we're teaching you how to make spicy black bean chili. Yum? No reaction. It's fine. Welcome back. We're making our video today. It's gonna be kind of fast. Robin might not even say one word, and that's okay. She's just kind of a stand-in. I told her I'd do it with the cats, but she said no. She didn't actually say that. She just kind of got up and came over here. So I'm just gonna lead everything today. So we're making spicy black bean chili. It's super easy, super yummy, and you guys are gonna love it. Make sure and check the description so that you can have the recipe. Also, I got this recipe from one of my favorite places. That's right, Buzzfeed. So I will leave a link in the description to where I got the actual recipe. So thanks, Buzzfeed. Let's get started. A delicious bowl of this easy black bean chili. I guess it's kind of more like a soup. It's not as thick as like normally chili is, but that's okay. I don't really care.
It looks yummy.
It does look yummy. Let's give it a try.
Mmm. That's yummy.
That's so good.
It's spicy.
It's really spicy, but although my son would say it's not spicy.
It's not spicy.
See? But I think it's spicy, but I also think it's really delicious. It has a super yummy flavor.
It's taking away my bad mood.
Yeah.
That school put me in.
Comfort food. Yes.
I'm sure if high school can put me in a bad mood, college will definitely.
Definitely.
So eat this.
Yeah, if you're in need of some delicious comfort food, so it doesn't need to cook very long, especially if you use canned black beans. Basically, it's just like warming everything up. And you can have a really quick, delicious, yummy comfort meal of spicy black bean chili after you have a really crappy day at school. So I say get on this. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time on College Kitchen.